Hi, this is my EdTech Tools presentation and it's on Pinterest. So Pinterest is basically a virtual bulletin board in which images or pins are able to be organized into categories or boards. So you can take images, links, anything like that, and it's basically inspiration and you're going to categorize them into boards. It was created by Paul Ciara, Evan Sharp, and Ben Silberman. Pinterest can be used to gather inspiration for just about any interest, such as recipes, fashion, event planning, crafting, really anything. It's a wonderful tool for teachers to use for ideas for their classrooms because there are tons of lesson plans, classroom management ideas, decor, exercises, worksheets, and more. So to create an account on Pinterest, it's really quick and easy, and it's also free, which is awesome. Business accounts can also be made, which come with extra features such as Pinterest Analytics and the ability to create ads. So this is how to use Pinterest. So once you've created your account, you can begin creating boards by clicking Create Board. So that is just right here. Once you've clicked Create Board, this window will pop up. Here you can name your board and decide whether you want it to be secret or public. So basically a secret board is a board that only you can see, and a public board is basically anybody can see it. It's on your profile and it's posted. To create a board, so once you've created your board, you've clicked Create Board and you have that window up, you can search for pins by typing in the search bar. So for this example, I decided to use this grammar flipbook. So to save a pin, you wave your mouse over the pin and click Save. Once you've saved a pin, you can edit the description to customize it to your classroom needs. So this is the board that we just made, and you can click this drop-down menu and you can pin in anything to any board that you already have, or you can even create a new one here. And then this right here, you can change your description. So you can put whatever you need for your classroom, whatever you're actually using this pin for. Thank you so much for watching.